remember today the guardian angels whom the Lord, as what we have heard in today's gospel, assigned for us for our daily life. Mga anghel na tinatawag nga po nating mga taga-tanod. And if we will try to see, Jesus wishes to confirm this to us, that there are angels assigned to us who would perpetually express their worship to God. When we say guardian angels, we can take out the root word guard. In Tagalog, we call it tagabantay. Isang nilikha na nakatanod sa atin at nakatingin sa atin. And this is no passive action, but something that is operative and active, something that is alive. This spirit is at the watch over creation. And for every day, we know how the word guards are used. For example, just here at the Manila Cathedral, we have security guards. You have someone to secure your place, your villages, your communities, your workplace. They may not be the particular guard whom we have that knowledge, but you assign someone to protect this person, this thing, this possession, whatsoever. More than guarding us from whatever may cause us harm, guardians would teach us what is good and what is bad, what to do and not what to do. They do and see us, they do and guide us so that we can be like them. We can join them soon in heaven and praise God. Ang masama lang po ngayon, first and foremost, hindi na natin kinikilala na may mga anghel na tanod sa buhay natin. We do not anymore, in a way, acknowledge that there is a created being by God guiding us in this life. And secondly, tingnan na lang po natin yung mga life choices natin at mga ginawa natin sa buhay na ito. We were not able to embrace their guidance. We've listened to other voices. We've neglected their presence and the guidance of our angels, leading us to choices that are right and to choices that will make us holy. As we remember, my dear brothers and sisters, their unfailing praise to God and their unfailing guidance to us, let us remember that we have them in our midst. They do not only protect us and keep us from whatever may cause us harm and will keep us safe. Most of all, they are guardians. They are guards. Alam nila, silang malalapit sa Diyos kung ano ang tama para sa atin, ano ang mabuti para sa atin, at ano ang magpapabanal sa atin. To choices that will make us better, what is good for us, and what will make us holy. Be guardians as well. Do not only protect, lead others to their goodness and to their holiness.